Access to medical oxygen is essential for treating respiratory conditions and saving lives. Yet in many low-resource settings, oxygen concentrators are often left unused due to minor faults and inadequate maintenance. The OpenO2 initiative under Global Health Informatics Institute was established to address the widespread issue of non-functional oxygen concentrators across healthcare facilities in Malawi. It focuses on installing and maintaining these devices through practical repairs, local capacity building, and innovative low-cost solutions. The Oxygen Alliance invites you to a session where OpenO2 engineers will share their field-tested strategies for maintaining and installing oxygen concentrators. This session is scheduled for Thursday, the 15th of May 2025 at 4 p.m. Central African Time, and we'll be glad to see you there. Please mark your calendars and don't miss out.